Hi, welcome to Cooking with Nas. Today I'm going to make baked fish with tomato sauce and accompanying it is mashed potatoes. Okay, so now let's cut and marinate the fish. This is basa fish what we get. Any fish what you have, fillet it nicely and it has to go with the grains and you cut it off to small pieces. This is the way. So you'll get maximum pieces also fish and it will be cooked very fast. So we'll have that. Fish has to be marinated for at least 2-3 hours to get the flavor inside, because as such basa does not have its own taste. So to get the taste in the fish, in the meat, we are going to marinate it for a longer time. Be careful of your hands whenever you are filleting it, whenever you are cutting it. Your hand should be like this. Keep it flat and then you cut it. Now we have put all the fish over here. Fish is cut. We are going to add little salt, swad anusar, then crushed pepper, which is always kept and crush and keep it. I like peppery stuff, so it gives a good taste. Little oregano, herbs, chili powder, and a little capsicum sauce to for it the tanginess to come, the spicy and the tanginess. This I will be marinating it for 2-3 hours. You can put it in the fridge in the container and keep them. Here is the fish which is marinated for 4 hours. So we are going to have other ingredients also. What we require is flour, milk, butter, salt, black pepper, oregano, cheese and capsicum, and of course potatoes which are boiled and strained. So let's heat up the frying pan. We heat it up, and in the meantime we are going to put some flour over here because the fish has to be dusted with flour. As soon as this is hot, we'll be adding little oil just to glaze the base of the pan. And the fish which is there ready, so we are just going to dust it with flour. Then we'll be putting all of them together. The fish is dusted, the first lot, so we are going to put in the pan. This is the coating which is there. The flour is a coating where you'll get a nice crunchiness also. At the same time, the marinade will not be loosened out in the pan. The juices will stay in the fish. The one side is ready, so we are just flipping it over so that the other side also gets cooked. Remember one thing, fish cooks the fastest. So you have to be very careful that you don't overcook the fish and it will lose its taste, become rubbery. So cook it fast. Last minute cooking is the best thing for a fish. It's done, one side is done. Now the second side, as soon as it's ready, we'll take it out. So this one is on medium heat, and I will say around 5 minutes it will take. But you have to check the brownness of the fish, whether it's done or not. Here it is done both the sides, if you have noticed. So I'm just removing it in a plate. Our fish is fried. I mean, we have sorted the fish and we have kept it. This is how it is. Now we will start with our mashed potato. So the potato has been boiled and cut. When you boil the potatoes, first thing, peel them up and cut into small pieces and you boil with salt. Then you have to strain away the water. Once the water is strained, because we don't want any liquid in it. Now in the pan, we'll be putting little oil. First, so that the butter when we are adding does not burn. We have to add butter so the butter will not burn. We've added. With this, we'll be adding the potatoes over here. These are the potatoes what we have heated up, so the water will go away. We are just sauteing them. At the same time, we are mashing it also. We will be using the masher. Here we are mashing the potatoes on the stove only. It's a small, gas is small, so we are not going to get burnt. Why we are doing it? So the water, it mashes up, at the same time it is getting cooked. This is heated up, our potato is mashed, so we are going to add salt. स्वाद अनुसार नमक डाला है. Then थोड़ा milk, black pepper, crushed black pepper, little butter and little cheese in it. Cheese is grated and kept in the fridge so that आपको कभी भी यूज़ करना है चीज़ तो आप लास्ट मिनट ग्रेट यू विल नहीं करना है, आपको फ्रिज में रखा हुआ है grated cheese so you can use it. Now this I will let it cook a little more. Now the potato is ready, our mashed potato. For this I had taken about 4-5 medium-sized potatoes. Peel them up, cut into small pieces, boil, and then the procedure: milk around 100 ml milk we have put, butter about 50 grams butter, salt swad anusar, and your pepper is also swad anusar we have put. This is the tomato gravy what I have made. This gravy is a you can use it for many things, like pizza base, for pasta, for fish, anything baked also, fish, chicken, paneer. If you want have paneer, you can use it. So this recipe you will be getting it in my another video. Over here, now what we are going to do is arrange the fish on the gravy, because this dish can be put under a griller or on the microwave. You can use it, so that we want the cheese which will be on top to be melted. So I have arranged the fish. Now on top of it again I'll be putting the tomato gravy, the tomato sauce, arranging it and covering it up more or less. This will go into the griller. This again I'll be putting capsicum on top. One capsicum which is cut into the small pieces. You can put other red and yellow capsicum also if you want, mushrooms also if you want. Then top it with cheese, and this will go in the griller till the cheese becomes brown and melts. So our dish is ready to go into the oven. So our food is ready. Grill it till it's golden brown, or microwave till the cheese melts, and also heat up the potato, mashed potato, and bon appetit. Enjoy your meal.